For anyone who's ever been on a plane and knows what a baby sounds like on a plane, it is 70 decibels, and it is quite a unique sound. And at the time in the story, the plane that Boss Baby and Tim were on wasn't necessarily going to Las Vegas, and they had to create some kind of emergency landing so they were flying over Vegas and they had to land in Vegas. So there's only one thing they could do to bring the plane down, and that's to make every baby on the plane cry. And so it was a very funny scene, but it couldn't find its way into the movie. So here it is in its entirety.
Ladies and gentlemen, and those in coach, on the left side of the plane, you can see we are now passing over Las Vegas.
Passing over?
No. We need to land in Las Vegas.
You didn't check the destination before we got on board?
Well, whenever I fly with my parents, the plane just goes exactly where we want.
We gotta land this plane somehow, right now.
We need an emergency landing.
Yeah, but how?
I know a way, but you're not gonna like it.
Why? What way?
Well, it involves the purple nurple.
No, not the purple nurple. Okay, Templeton. Do it.
Are you sure about this?
Just do it, man.
Okay.
Turn up the volume.
It's not working.
Oh, it's working.
Make it stop! I can't stand it! Learn how to get out of here.
Look, Tim, look. The plane is turning back.
Yes!
Come in, Las Vegas Control Tower! Requesting emergency landing!
Let's move, Templeton.